Today we will be making Mink's Lucky Tacos. Let's jump right into it. So I got me some russet potatoes from my local grocery store, fire roasted diced tomatoes, yellow corn tortillas. These are the extra thin ones, by the way. Now this is from my local grocery store. This I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all know I swear by this nacho cheese sauce. I had to get me some. Now this green enchilada sauce, I hope I pronounced that right. We're gonna use some of that. Taco seasoning mix. I also got crispy onions. Y'all, this chicken a la king. Y'all know I swear by this too. We will be using this in this recipe as well. Some jalapenos. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Jump right into it, guys. Now, you can cut them however small you want. I don't want to cut them too small because the potatoes, they kind of like, when it gets soft, I want to mash them up, but I don't want them to like fall apart while balling, in other words. So I want to be able to mash them up myself, and if you cut them too small, it's going to end up doing that when you're balling it. So I just make sure I cut them in big enough chunks. You don't want it too small, guys. How have you been liking my videos so far? What recipes you guys would like to see? Okay, putting my potatoes in here. I have other videos on my channel, guys. I just recently did a video with some Dollar Tree products, and it was like Mink's Lucky Pasta Casserole, guys. That casserole was so good, like so cheesy. I was shocked at the way it came out. Like, oh my gosh, like I couldn't even believe I even made that, and I made it up myself, which is really shocking to me. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to keep cutting these potatoes up, guys. I also added some chicken thighs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the skin and the fat from these chicken thighs, just like I did here. And I removed the fat, and not all the fat, but you know, majority of it, in the skin that was on top, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it and then I'm going to shred it up. Okay, so I didn't have the chicken included into the ingredients, so I wanted to make sure you guys know that we add in chicken as well. You can choose to add chicken breast or just regular dark meat, whatever you choose. That's totally up to you. But we're gonna go ahead and do this to all the chicken thighs, remove all the fat and remove all of the skin, and we will be back. Our potatoes balling, I had cleaned them and I just placed them in a pot of water. If you choose to put salt in, it's up to you. If you don't, that's fine as well, guys, because I will be seasoning the potatoes with everything else that I'm including all together anyway, so there's no need to do this. But I will be seasoning the chicken, and then I'll season it again with everything all together. So just let that ball, guys, and while that's balling, we're gonna get to our meat. Okay, guys, you want to season your meat, and I kind of seasoned it lightly. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I seasoned it lightly because we will be seasoning it again with all the other ingredients, and y'all know meat can go crazy with that seasoning. So this time I just added all-purpose seasoning, and you know, kind of like, not too much, just kind of make sure that everything is at least seasoned lightly, if you know what I'm saying. So this is how I seasoned it, and we will place it in the oven. I'm going to show you guys how it is in the pan, and I'll be back. Go ahead and start placing your meat in the pan. If I don't have enough room with this pan, I will place it in another pan, like the rest of them in another pan, guys. but you basically want to place them like this. Go ahead and place your butter in however you would like. This is how I place my butter in here. Now I'm gonna make another pan because I think I got like about 4 more pieces of thighs up, so I'm gonna put in another pan just like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cover this up, guys, and you're going to place it in the oven at 400 degrees. I already got my oven preheated already, so I'll be back once that chicken is done. But we're gonna get back to checking on the potatoes. Okay, we still got the potatoes balling. We're gonna let them continue to ball, and we'll be back to check up on them, guys. They have to be soft, so I can tell just by looking at them that they ain't cooked yet. They may have softened up just a little, but not that much. I could tell whenever they really, you know, to the point to where they're almost cooked. So we will be back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut our onions. And I take all the peelings off right before I cut it. I know y'all like me. You gonna throw away all them onions? Yes, that's exactly what I do. I would throw away all that and waste all that product just to get to this part. That's just me. So go ahead and cut that in half. And I kind of want my onions a little long, so we're going to cut it like this. Oh, sorry guys, the camera must have moved. Okay. And I'm gonna cut like in the middle, but I'm not gonna cut again. That's it for this. And we're gonna do the same for this. Cut it like this. And then we're gonna cut it in the middle. And that's it for our onions. Go ahead and do our bell pepper. Y'all know this is how I usually cut mine up. Wall to wall. I don't know if that's how y'all say it. Go ahead and cut that into long pieces as well, because I will be cooking this down and cutting it in the middle. Sorry, y'all can't see that. But let's see if y'all can see it this way. Cut it long ways like this. Don't worry about the seeds, guys, because you can either throw the seeds out or you can cook with them. Regardless, you can eat them. They good. And just cut it down the middle like this. And do the same with the rest of them. Sorry for the shaking of the camera, but you're gonna continue to do this, guys. And cut down the middle. Okay. And do the same with this one as well. Should have got my big cutting board because I got the little mini one because I'm running out of room here. But this is how we want everything to be cut, and we're gonna throw that in a pot with some butter, guys, to kind of saute that down. Okay, let's go ahead and saute our onion and bell pepper, guys. I added some butter in here. So you can add whatever you want, olive oil, vegetable oil, or whatnot, guys. I just decided to add some bonnet butter. And we're gonna let that kind of cook down a little bit. And I'll be back. All right, we got our chicken shredded already. And I put some of the potatoes in here. It's up to you how many potatoes you would like to put in here, but just go ahead and mash those potatoes up. Just keep mashing. You want to get all the potatoes all over. And guys, I used some of the chicken that I had baked. I'm gonna use that for like a chicken salad or something like that, because I had some left over. So that's the good part of having some shredded chicken. You can use it for all kind of stuff, guys. So you're gonna keep on mashing that up. And the reason why you need it mashed is because you're gonna be putting it in the tacos, guys. Nah, that's up to you if you want to leave it chunky, but I rather mine smashed. So just keep on doing that, guys. Like this video if you are enjoying so far. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos that I have made with recipes and snack reviews and all kind of stuff, guys. Just check my videos out. Alright, I'm almost there, guys. Just keep on doing that. And I'm sure you're gonna leave one out, or one or two out of a few that's gonna be chunky in there, but at least you know you got majority of it that's mashed up. Now this part right here, we're gonna go ahead and add the ingredients. So I got the green enchilada. I'm gonna add a little bit of that in there, a little bit, not much, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna add our chicken a la king. Guys, you know how I feel about this stuff. Oh my god, I don't know if y'all can see that, but we're gonna go ahead and add that in here. And don't worry, guys, I wipe my items down when I get back home from the store, because you never know who's been touching those items. I don't know if y'all do that, but every time I go shopping to the store, when I come back home, all the items that I purchase, I wipe them down because of all the germs that's going around. So now we're gonna put in our fire roasted diced tomatoes, and I decided just to do one can, guys. One can. All the ingredients that we have, we can always, you know, the extra ingredients, we can always use it for another recipe. So now I'm gonna add the nacho cheese sauce in here. Go ahead and just put that in there. And being that this look like this, I'm thinking I might just need just 2 cans of this nacho cheese sauce. So we might just do it with that. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it first to see, because I like a lot of cheese. But first we're gonna put in our bell peppers and onions, guys. And they got butter in it, so we don't have to add the butter. I already put the butter in here. I'll just add it all up in there, guys. Ooh, that looks so good. We're gonna go ahead and add our crispy onions in here. Ooh, guys, I already know this is about to be lit. It's about to be good. Sorry for the shaking, guys. It's about to be good. I don't know why I always touch that tripod, but go ahead and put our taco seasoning in here. I'm trying to open it, guys. Give me a second. Yes. Okay, let's add our taco seasoning in here. And I didn't add all of it, but that was the hot and spicy taco seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and mix everything. And y'all know my saying, it may not look good before it's cooked, but once it's cooked, baby, it's gonna be delicious. So just mix all that up in there. Can you imagine the flavors in there? Like, oh my gosh. Look, guys, look how that's gonna look. It's gonna be super cheesy, you know, super cheesy. I think that's enough. That is enough. I'm not gonna add any more cheese to this. This is enough for me, guys. So what we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and add this to our tacos and start to fry the tacos on both sides so they can be a little toasted on both sides. But make sure this is, I don't know if y'all can see that. Make sure this is you know, blended in well, so you don't have like some parts that's not mixed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show y'all how they look, guys. Okay, guys, you're gonna fry them like this and just flip them. Just flip them. And make sure they are brown to where you want it. If it leaks out on the side, that is okay. You can always pick out these things. Lucky tacos are done. Look at that, guys. Ooh, wow. Look at that onion. This looks so good. I paired it with some jalapeno peppers, guys. And you can use any type of dipping sauce you would like to go with this. I choose to use some cheese sauce and eat that like that, guys. You can even use hot sauce, whatever you choose to do with these tacos. These look so delicious. Are y'all ready to taste? Because I am. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try Mink's Lucky Tacos. I'm gonna dip it in some nacho sauce. Try it. Mmm. 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 I love it, guys. Like and subscribe and that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Guys, thank you for watching, and try these tacos. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Bye bye, my Minky.